Hello everybody. Today I'm back with another video. Now this video is also about the Instagram followers, as you can guess, because I opened my earlier videos and it is related to my previous video that I did on Instagram followers. I did two videos on Instagram followers. First one was this one and second one was this one. In the first video I didn't use any external application. I just used the Instagram feature to get the Instagram followers. And in the second video I did use an external app called Neutrino to just gain the followers. It might be effective, but it was not legitimate in any case, because all the followers it gave me was like fake, or maybe like some bot accounts following you, and it was not real though. They unfollowed me after a while. Anyway, that was a different topic I discussed with you. So this thing right here, you can see get Instagram followers 100% free, national app required. If you watch my video, then you probably know how you can gain the followers using the username of the famous celebrities in your country or your region. Like, let me quickly show you how this works. Let me first of all mute this so you just don't get noise in the background. Okay, there we are. So here you can see I'm gonna search some famous celebrity, and then I start following all the suggested ones, which are basically the celebrity too. So once I do that, I start to gain these followers. Now this step that I am doing right here is a bit of tedious job, to follow manually each and every celebrity and then unfollow all the celebrity manually to follow them back again. So I decided to gain the followers automatically by running a single bot, or call a single script of code. So I decided to write a Python script, and I did write a Python script to automate that procedure of following and unfollowing the famous celebrity which you want. All you have to do is you have to give the script email and password for your Instagram account and start the script, and voila, leave it alone and you will gain the followers automatically. So without wasting much of your time, let me just start that script and show you how that script works. So here I open my PyCharm, that is a Python IDE where I can write Python code. Let me first run the script and show you how this works. So here I start the script, and now magic begins. So first of all, ML Watson, follow, this thing, it will just unfollow. I've already followed, and it will follow back in the next pass when it has unfollowed and followed. This step goes on, and you will start to gain followers. Last time I did run the script on my account for around 3 to 4 hours, and I got about 120 followers again. Now you might wanna have this script running all the time, but there's a catch. Instagram allows like 160 requests per hour. So after 160 follows, the script will stop following the people, but it won't stop. After 1 hour, it will again start. So like, it will be a quick thing, and you don't have to worry about it. Now, if you guys need the script for yourself, then you have to comment into the comment box saying you need the script and along with your email so that I can mail you the script. And if you guys want to have a software for doing this rather than having a script, then do let me know so I can work on that software for you guys. Although it will not be free, but you can like have it by giving some donation to me. That was the topic for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Do like, do share, do subscribe. I will see you next time.